Hey CoinXplore family, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the fascinating world of rare coins, hidden values, and collector secrets. Today we've got a crazy claim. A United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin from 2014, Islamic year 1435, being worth 56,780 US dollars. Is that real, or just internet hype? Let's find out. B-roll. Close-ups of a 2014 United Dirham. People online have claimed huge values for this coin, but when we look at actual market listings and collector guides, the story is quite different. We'll break down what this coin really is, what most of them sell for, what rare versions might be worth, and whether the $56,780 price tag is legit. First, let's talk basics. The United Arab Emirates Dirham is the official currency of the UAE. Introduced in 1973 and still in use today. The 1 Dirham coin is worth about 27 cents in everyday value. Wikipedia, the 2014 Hijri year 1435 Dirham has denomination 1 AED Dirham, composition nickel-plated steel, weight 6.1, 6.4 G diameter, 24 km catalog number. KM hashtag 6.2 angcoin.com. This makes it a modern circulation coin, meaning it was used in everyday transactions. Now let's talk real-world value. If you check actual listings on collector marketplaces like eBay, most 2014 UAE 1 Dirham coins sell for only a few dollars in circulated condition. Even in mint or uncirculated condition, prices rarely exceed $50 to $100. Some nicer listings might show $200 to $500 figures, but that's still very far from $56,780. eBay Bay. That's because this is a modern coin with large mintage. It isn't historically old or extremely rare. Most collectors don't pay massive premiums for it. So where does the crazy number like $56,780 come from? Let's break it down. Hype and speculation on social media and YouTube. Coin grading exaggerations. Sometimes people claim a coin graded at top grade by PCGS/NGC could be worth thousands. Error coins. If a mistake was made during minting, a rare error could sell higher. But we found no confirmed auction records anywhere close to $56,000 for this issue. There are some error coin discussions on forums about Emirati coins, but nothing proving a 2014 Dirham is worth tens of thousands. Okay, not all UAE Dirhams are worth only pocket change. Some older or special issue Dirhams can be valuable. Early issues, 1970s, 1980s, some heavy metal coins in excellent condition can fetch hundreds or more from collectors. Commemoratives or limited mint errors. Rare varieties can sometimes exceed their face value by big margins. High-grade certified coins. Coins graded by third-party services, NGC, PCGS, and top grades can have premium prices. But for the 2014 standard circulation coin, most values remain modest. If you have a 2014 UAE Dirham and want to check its value, look for exceptional condition, no scratches, brilliant luster. Check for unique mint errors, double strike, missing elements. Compare with real sold prices. Not just asking prices. Consult numismatic catalogs or certified graders. Remember, photos matter. High-resolution images from multiple angles help buyers and graders. So here's the honest conclusion. A standard 2014 1435 UAE Dirham coin is not worth $56,780. That number appears to be clickbait or misinformation circulating online. Its usual market value is more like a few dollars to maybe a few hundred, depending on condition and demand. Only extremely rare error coins or special pieces, verified by grading houses, would ever approach high collector figures. And even then, it's unlikely to reach that enormous valuation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the UAE Dirham, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to CoinXplore, and drop a comment below with what coin you want us to explore next. Who knows? Maybe your pocket change hides a treasure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.